Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you change your t-shirt color or shirt color with very simply method. And you can see there are lots of people using this brush tool for changing the t-shirt color, but that's really a wrong idea. So we are going to make it easy. So we have to select this object selection tool. You can see object selection tool. After that we have to make this lasso and just draw it. So you can see automatically it has been selected. Now we have to create a new layer and click on solid color. Just choose your color. I select red, or you can select anything just you want. I select red and click on OK. Now we have to do in color burn. You can see my t-shirt color already changed. You can see the difference right now. Now you can see the edges are very sharp and we have to do some feather. You can see we have to click on this and we have to upscale our feather. Just you can see the edges are not sharp right now, so balance this as per your condition. So now we are done. This is the difference between color. So if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.